Hello and welcome back to another video. So today we're doing my first impressions on the Nintendo Switch OLED, and I just got this in. I'm very excited to use it. First, I'll show you the unboxing experience and everything you get out of it. You obviously get the new dock, the Switch itself, the Joy-Cons, the Joy-Con holder, an HDMI cable, power brick, and the secure straps for the Joy-Con sticks. The unboxing experience overall was very pleasant, very simple. I think Nintendo does a good job with their unboxings. But on to the Switch itself, we have to start with the display because obviously that's the biggest key to the Switch OLED, the OLED display. It looks very nice in its new design, and I can tell a big difference from the previous model. The OLED version looks superior in comparison to the other Switches I've used, but it isn't perfect by any means. When I'm playing games, I do notice the lower resolution at 720p, but that's not really changed from any of the other Switches. However, colors really pop, the contrast ratio looks great, and most people are probably going to be very happy if they use handheld mode a lot. Because not only is the display improved, but the speaker quality is significantly better than what we had before. I think it sounds really good if you're someone who's using it in handheld, using speakers all the time. If you don't want to use headphones or anything like that, you're going to like these new speakers on here. And then the new kickstand is excellent. It just feels so much more premium than the previous Switch. You can put it on many different angles, and it's a quite tight mechanism, so it feels like it's going to stay quite sturdy. It's very even overall. You can put it on more areas because of this, and I think that most people who use it are going to like the kickstand. If you're someone who doesn't use the kickstand in general, it's not going to make a huge difference, but there is that. It's also nice to have more storage than before. However, I found as I was installing games, I used it up quite quickly. So a micro SD card is probably still the move for many people. As for the dock itself, I like the new white color. It looks very clean. It's got an Ethernet port, but in general, it's really not all that different from before. And you can use the original Switch on this dock, which partially suggests that it's not that different. Either way, I like the design, it looks nice, and another thing that looks nice is the Joy-Cons. The white Joy-Cons do look cool, but again, these are not changed from the previous model. People are still going to experience Joy-Con drift, which is a big issue, and really you could get white Joy-Con sticks for your regular Switch. That does make it better for those who already have Switches because all the accessories are compatible with each other, and if you have a large ecosystem of Nintendo accessories, then you can use it with the Switch OLED. My gaming experience so far has been pretty good. As I'm using it in handheld mode, it feels like a regular Switch, not like the Switch Lite. The overall size feels exactly the same because it's just the screen getting bigger. The gameplay experience is enhanced by the new features like the speakers and display, but the overall performance is the same from before. 720p while not docked, and while docked 1080p and you're getting about the same frames, it is the same SoC, so this is what we expected. So on my initial impressions, we're not going to talk about battery life because I haven't gotten to use it enough, and I clearly can't give you as much information because I've had it for a limited time. But I will say that I to this day believe that older Switch users should probably not upgrade to this if they have a Switch already. This is a good upgrade for those who don't have a Switch or want to upgrade from a Switch Lite because they want a docked version. It's only $50 more, and the upgrades are worth it at that price in my opinion. But really, this isn't a huge upgrade. Either way, I'm going to use it for a while, and I did like using it in my time so far. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed, and peace.